Philip and I come from Johannesburg. Who is your role model that you want to play like and be the best like you?
My role model is Lamine Yamal.
Hi, my name is I come from St. Hospital. My question is, how do you feel about playing for Kaizer Chiefs and what was your experiences?
My experience so far since I started playing for Kaizer Chiefs is that you mustn't compare yourself with other players. You must just work hard, pray every day, and you mustn't entertain social media because social media is going to kill you. Because in social media, when you have a good game, you are a star. Then next week you have a bad game, they're going to say you are a cow. The very same people who are saying you are a star, they're going to say you are a cow. So we must just play football and don't entertain social media.